Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox and review the Zebronics Pixigo A16S portable monitor. If you've been looking for an affordable second screen for your laptop, desktop, gaming console, or even certain smartphones, then this video is for you. We'll look at what's inside the box, the design, ports, accessories, display quality, and finally I'll share whether it's worth buying. So let's get started. Now let's open the package. The monitor is packed securely inside foam protection. Everything feels well organized. I really like the packaging because it protects the display during transport. Let's remove the monitor carefully. Here is the retail box of the Zebronics Pixigo A16S. This is a 15.6-inch Full HD portable monitor with an anti-glare display. Some of the key highlights mentioned on the box include Full HD 1920x1080 resolution, anti-glare screen, built-in speakers, headphone jack, lightweight design, wall mount support, wide compatibility, adjustable stand. The monitor also supports mini HDMI, USB Type-C, USB Type-C DisplayPort, so it can connect to many modern devices using just a single USB-C cable if the device supports video output. My first impression is that it looks very sleek and modern. It has very slim bezels, which give it a premium appearance. Even though it's a 15.6-inch display, it feels surprisingly lightweight. The body also feels sturdy. On the back, you can see the built-in adjustable stand. This makes it very convenient because you don't need to carry a separate stand while traveling. The stand can be adjusted to different viewing angles for comfortable use. Now let's see what comes inside the box. You get the portable monitor, mini HDMI cable, USB Type-C DisplayPort cable, USB Type-C power cable, power adapter user manual. It's nice that Zebronics includes everything required to get started immediately. You don't have to buy additional cables separately. Now let's take a closer look at all the ports. On one side we have mini HDMI, USB Type-C for power and DisplayPort, another USB Type-C port. These ports make it very flexible. If your laptop supports USB-C DisplayPort, you may only need one cable for both video and power. If your laptop doesn't support DisplayPort over USB-C, then you can simply use the mini HDMI together with the power cable. On the other side we have the headphone jack. Brightness controls, volume controls, power button. Everything is easy to access and clearly laid out. The Zebronics Pixigo A16 is designed for wide compatibility with a variety of devices, allowing for easy expansion of your workspace or entertainment setup. It connects to devices that support video output via its available ports, which include Type-C, DisplayPort Alt Mode, and mini HDMI. Commonly compatible devices include lap, gaming consoles, devices that can connect via HDMI using an HDMI to mini HDMI tops, any laptop with a full-featured Type-C DP Alt Mode port or an HDMI output. Smartphones. Select smartphones that support video output over USB Type-Circa cable. To ensure compatibility, your source device must be capable of outputting a video signal through its physical port. For Type-C connections, your device must specifically support DisplayPort Alt Mode to transmit the display signal to the monitor. Another advantage is that Zebronics includes the power adapter right inside the box, so you don't need to purchase one separately. Let's take a closer look at the power adapter included with the Zebronics Pixigo A16S portable monitor. This adapter is designed to provide a stable and reliable power supply to the monitor, ensuring consistent performance during extended use. If you're using the monitor with a device that doesn't provide enough power through USB Type-C, this adapter becomes very useful. The adapter has a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to carry along with the monitor while traveling or working remotely. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, you won't have to worry about finding a separate compatible charger. Inside the user manual you'll find package contents, safety instructions, port diagram setup instructions. If this is your first portable monitor, I recommend spending a few minutes reading it. It explains how to connect different devices correctly. Now let's take a closer look at all the ports. On one side we have mini HDMI, USB Type-C for power and DisplayPort, another USB Type-C port. These ports make it very flexible. If your laptop supports USB-C DisplayPort, You may only need one cable for both video and power. If your laptop doesn't support DisplayPort over USB-C, then you can simply use the mini HDMI together with the power cable. On the other side we have the headphone jack brightness controls volume controls power button. Everything is easy to access and clearly laid out. After unboxing the Zebronics Pixigo A16S, I think it's a very practical portable monitor. What I like: lightweight, full HD display, anti-glare screen, built-in speakers, adjustable stand, USB-C connectivity, easy portability. It's designed for people who need an extra display without carrying a large desktop monitor. If you travel frequently or work remotely, this can be a useful addition to your setup.
That's my unboxing and first impressions of the Zebronics Pixigo A16S portable monitor.
If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell for more technology reviews, unboxings, and useful gadgets.